At naninikip. Sumisikip po.
Dok, ano ba yan? Yan ba ay namamana? Meron pwede? Kasi minsan may bata, lalo sa mga bata, paggising, pagkapanganak, meron na?
Pagkapanganak, opo. Namamana po.
Exact degrees and angles of the lines and believes the rock shows the directions to important ancient megalithic sites like Stonehenge, the pyramids of Giza and others, as the
幸福の気配が満ちていたのだ。しかし、お猿忍者という名の悪党が任侠を殺害。
Kasi ako man ay mahina din. Minsan nakakalimutan ko na bago ako mag-add to cart, I have to check my heart. Na bago ako magbayad, I have to pray.
Just the use of technology that could consistently produce straight and perfectly aligned cuts, no matter the height, which is difficult to achieve with the aforementioned traditional tool.
At maging ang LGU at kanilang kinuha yung mga basura doon sa mga daluyan ng tubig at nagputol din ang mga sanga ng punong kahoy. Sa ngayon, Iga, nakataas.
May sunog at hindi ma-set up ang soup kitchen or walang kuryente, hindi makaluto, then we have to give our ready-to-eat food box. Or sa pier, for instance, imposible.
Sa ngayon, Igan ay patuloy na nagsasagawa ng efforts ang Naga City LGU at maging ang Camarines Sur PDRMC para nga maalalayan.
Na nagpatotoo sa mga money laundering schemes ni Nakibuloy at ng KOJC. Lahat sila kinonfront ang isang makapangyarihang tao at hindi yun madaling gawin.
Anak ko. Oh, wala pa. Relax. Di ba? Siyempre, ako nagpe-pray ako, being a board pastor myself sa accountancy.
全てが燃え尽きるまで
Do not conform into the standard of this world, but be transformed with the renewing of your mind. Unless you are anchored on the truth. Kaya mga kapatid, seek God.
At ng ating mga bodega everywhere sa Bicol region. At ang nangyayari, yung mga local government units natin ang pupunta sa aming mga bodega, kukunin yung mga goods at dadalhin doon.
Opo.
So tuloy-tuloy naman
148.
Yung 5,000 plus po na yun sa buong mga lahat ng mga pantalan po sa buong bansa. Kumusta po yung sitwasyon nila? Nakakatulog naman po sila ng maayos? Nakakakain po ba sila?
Advanced knowledge or equipment. These theories often draw parallels with other ancient megalithic sites around the world, where similar arguments are made about the use of
I love New God signature light cone, which gives break effect and action forward, but nobody has the money for that right now because we all bought Metaphor ReFantasio. Hello, this is a pause to remind you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I can wait for you to click the button, it's fine.
given its prominent placement and distinctive form. Some theories suggest that it might have been used as a sort of altar or ceremonial platform, possibly related.
Ito, Doc, may mga tanong tayo sa mga kapuso natin online. Ang tanong po ni FJ Labena, Decoro on Valdez Moralia.
Yeah. Kung may the trend of this world, huwag yung kawawa yung bata pa yan. Huwag mo siyang kawawain na ma-child abuse yan. Alin ang child abuse doon? Ipiniprepare mo nga sila sa future. Naintindihan po? Praise the Lord. Napakabuti ho ng ating Panginoon Diyos. At gayon po, tayo po'y magpapatuloy sa ating series on truth over trends. At ito'y po yung mga susi to build.
Broke anchor. It hit a port, and when they were looking for the captain, he was not on the vessel, which is in violation of we are currently conducting work today.
Worthless idol. Huwag namang worthless, wala naman sila magagawa. And became worthless themselves. You see the effect of idolatry? Kaya anong gagawin natin? We need to identify our...
Claim that the structure identified on Mars probably went through millions of years of erosion, but it's clearly visible. Shape is a definitive telltale sign of the possibility of remain subjects of debate among historians. Some suggest that it might have had astronomical significance and was used as a marker for celestial events or seasons, while ancient burial tombs. The name Yoshimi Hayakwana translates to 100 Holes of Yoshimi. This site consists of 216 ancient burial caves.
Kasi 50% yun eh. Kaya kung nandito kayo, hindi kayo pumasa, iniyak ko kayo, promise. Iniyak ko kayo before God and saying, God, protect these children. I pray that
inaayos pa at ongoing pa po yung isinasagawang assessment at restoration efforts po dito sa mga areas na to.
Ano yan, mga nabagsakan ng puno, yung mga poste ninyo?
Ima ここで事件の捜査をしているの。悪いけど他の道を通ってちょうだい。
灰色の髪に黄色の瞳。
Ang hirap din ng LGU sa pag-distribute ng
Meron,
secretary.
Igan, actually, marami silang request pero nag-aantay kami na kunin nila at pick upin nila.
Yes.
170 yung nasabi ko sa iyo kanina bago pamain.
If you walk just a few minutes away from Sakafune Ishi, you can find another incredible stone known as Kam-ishi, which means the turtle stone.
ka na sa kasalanan, malaya ka na. Yes, nagkakasala pa rin tayo, pero hindi natin kailangan sumunod dyan. Kaya nating tanggihan yan kung talagang magdidepend tayo sa Diyos. Now, ito sabi niya, for what the law could...
Parallel grooves. The site looks exactly like the Long Yu caves and the Huashan grottos in China. But how is this possible, considering the distance between the old remain subjects of debate among historians. Some suggest that it might have had astronomical significance and was used as a marker for celestial events or seasons, while
Yes. Pwede sa mata, pwede sa ilong, sa bibig. Kaya yung mga nagsiswimming, kahit wala silang sugat, nakita mo naman parang, ay, napalinon ako, di pumasok yung left ko.
Sabi,
Alam mo ba, seryoso rin si God when he said, eto ha, now the deeds of the flesh are evident. May morality, impurity, sensuality, idolatry, sorcery. Pero enmities, na may galit.
It's certified by DOST, it's certified by the National Nutrition Council, and narinig ko nga kapon, nag-usap kami ng Philippine Ports Authority para na rin sa mga stranded passengers. So, they're...
Okay. 450 ulit. So, ibig sabihin, ng personal best niya is 450. Ibig sabihin po, kung may asthma po si Ma'am Suzy, ang mangyayari po is, ito po yung
大丈夫だけど警戒はもう少し部屋の中を確認してみようか。
Kayo dyan. O sige, maraming salamat po. At dagdag tulong din po sa inyo mula sa Unang Hirit. Meron po kaming raincoat at ito po payong para naman po safe kayo tuwing umuulan.
Ako'y anak ko after the exam. Talaga naman nakikita ko yung pagod niya sa pag-aaral. Talagang, siyempre with all support in prayer and everything. Pagsundo ko, o kamusta? Mahirap, bata.
Dulot ng malakas na pagbuhos ng ulan kanina. Galing ng monumento si Jules bago niya naisipan na dumaan sa C3 sa Caloocan.
Megalith, which creates the illusion of floating above the water, fascinates people thousands of years after its creation. Another fascinating
Bagong tao na, hindi ka nagkakamali ha. Hindi ganun. He understands our frailty and He will walk with us step by step. Pwede bang pakikabit yung katabi mo?
shaped mound. The structure displays extraordinary symmetry, and what's shocking is that there aren't any large geographical features anywhere near this structure. The enigma
Pangalan sa Diyos o pansarili lamang? Di ba? Relationships. Yung relationships. Di ba? Mga bata ngayon, di ba? Kanta nila yung kay Madonna. Papa, don't preach. I'm in love.
Take a look at this comparison of the lines found at Mount Nokogiriyama and compare them with the marks left by our modern machines. The similarity is uncanny. Of course, this brought refuge within the turtleback tombs, which subsequently became strategic points of contention in the battle to control them. This showcases the strength of the massive constructions.
回ったり、学生生活を体験したりするといいだろう。
勉強もするんだ。だとしても最高。元気な美少女が学園で
and all of them have skillful finishing and intricate decorations, both on the facades and within the interiors. Some of the interior chambers are quite large, which
Yes. Pwede sa mata, pwede sa ilong, sa bibig. Kaya yung mga nagsiswimming, kahit wala silang sugat, nakita mo naman parang, ay, napalinon ako. Di pumasok yung left ko.
Oo, sabi,
kayo. Di ba? Wala naman mananatiling bata rito eh. Yung dating malakas ka, isang araw manghihina ka din. Ngayon tanong, ano nangyari?
Government, tsaka sila makapagbigay ng rubber balls. So yun po yung parang naging context.
I think that's a context in the rescue side. Yes. But in the response side, our context has always been nandun na.
May sipol, no? May
sipol. Opo, yun po. Nag-wheezing po sila.
Wheezing,
Doc, may mga test ba na ginagawa para masukat yung paghinga?
Yes. Karaniwan po, ang ginagamit po natin.
Kompleto na kumbaga yung cast of characters kahapon. Si Kibuloy mismo, yung co-accused niya, yung ilan sa mga dating victim survivors namin at ilang mga
hanggang 3,000 ang repair ng kada motosiklo, depende sa sira nito. Samantala, di muna pinadadaanan ng ilang tulay sa Naga City, tulad ng tulay na ito sa Barangay Kararayan na papuntang Barangay del Rosario.
折り紙大学は宇宙に名を馳せるトップクラスの芸術教育機関だと聞いている。俺もぜひ見学
Perhaps the most cited example in discussions about ancient alien theories in Japan is the Taketori Monogatari, also known as the. Curiously, The precise stone cuts at Mount Nokogiriyama bear a striking resemblance to those found at other ancient sites across the globe, where similar
Sa mga biyaherong stranded po doon, may nahanap na po bang lugar na malilipatan yung mga stranded na mga pasahero doon sa Batangas Port?
Opo, sa ngayon po, wala pa po, pero inilagay po ng ating port manager.
Puso natin na lulusong pa lang, pwede, but tanong nyo muna sa doktor.
Yes.
Pero yung after, pagkalusong mo, pwede ka bang uminom agad-agad?
Ay, after, kailangan pa rin magpa-evaluate.
Donate, ito naman para dun sa mga gustong mag-donate sa Kapuso Foundation. We welcome your donations sa katulong po sa inyo na nanggagaling sa inyo. Makikita po sa TV screen ang official donation channels ng Kapuso Foundation. Kaya
sa gilid ng kalsada.
Sa bahaging ito ng Araneta Avenue sa Quezon City, kita ang 3 truck na maala sandwich ang eksena. Ayon sa mga tauhan ng MMDA, tumirik daw ang mga yon
and the effort required to quarry, transport, and shape such a massive stone indicate that it held considerable significance. The site's proximity to other key
donation na nalikom nila is for continuous efforts and activities of DSWD. So right now, as we speak, meron tayong isang shipment ng rice na nasa pier na due for release.
not mean that the ancient Japanese were unskilled stoneworkers. During the Edo period, the Japanese, who likely inherited this ancient site, added remarkable
gawa ka ng bahay. Diskubrihin mo, aralin mo ng mabuti. Naintindihan po? Ang laking factor ng mga magulang. Andiyan pa kayo.
add to the mystery and the legend.
So we're just here at another stone called the Devil's Toilet. And it's hard to get back far enough to see it clearly. It's got these geometric
driver conductor po namin. Sabi ng driver sa akin, nakakontak namin, sir, positive, nandito pa, nakasakay pa sa bus. So, anong nangyari po, tumawag po sa akin yung driver, nandun na po doon sa police station sa Peñaranda yun.
Idol din yan! Get rid of your idols today. Now, pangalawa, obey His word. Obey His word. Say it with me. Obey His word. Now, bakit importante?
Ancient relic are a complete mystery, as there are no inscriptions or markings on it. Estimates place its construction in the prehistoric Jomon period, which dates back to around
then you have to build yourself. Kasi hindi naman tayo nakakaasa lamang sa iba, no? Now, bakit importante itong truth over trends? Kasi unang-una, if you notice, na yung trend po ay talaga
with the healing of ailments and illnesses. In many cultures, including Japanese, water is often seen as a purifying element and is commonly associated